Picture yourself sipping champagne in a restored 1920s carriage, gliding past snow-capped Alps or vibrant vineyards, with every detail curated to evoke a bygone era of glamour. Luxury trains aren't just about getting from point A to B, they transform travel into a destination itself, blending nostalgia with modern indulgence. Among the world's most iconic, the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express stands out, redefining first-class travel with its Art Deco elegance and storied routes across Europe. Let's step aboard this rolling palace and explore how it elevates rail travel to an art form, a legacy of elegance. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, VSOE, operated by Bellman, is synonymous with luxury rail travel. Launched in 1883, it became Europe's first luxury train, immortalized by Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. Today, it's meticulously restored 1920s carriages with navy blue and gold livery, run between London, Paris, Venice, and beyond, covering routes like Paris to Istanbul. The train's 17 carriages, including 3 dining cars and a bar car, exude Art Deco opulence with polished wood panels, velvet upholstery, and Lalique glass. A single journey like London to Venice starts at $4,500 per person, but the experience is priceless for those seeking timeless romance. Opulent interiors and suites. Step into a grand suite on the VSOE and you're in a world of bespoke luxury. These cabins, named after cities like Istanbul or Vienna, feature private bathrooms, double beds, and marble en-suites with 24-hour steward service. Even standard cabins like the historic cabins offer plush bedding and intricate marquetry, evoking the 1920s golden age. The bar car, with its live pianist and signature cocktails, feels like a Gatsby-esque soiree, while the dining cars, L'Étoile du Nord, Côte d'Azur, and L'Oriental serve gourmet meals like Brittany lobster or Provençal tomatoes, sourced along the route. Every detail, from white glove service to crystal glassware, screams exclusivity. A culinary journey on rails. Dining on the VSOE is a theatrical affair. Chefs craft multi-course menus inspired by the train's destinations, served on fine china in dining cars that double as art pieces. Imagine savoring seared scallops while rolling through the Swiss Alps, or enjoying a champagne brunch as Verona's hills unfold outside. The Bar Car 3674, with its velvet armchairs and live music, is a social hub where passengers mingle over cocktails like the Guilty 12, inspired by Christie's novel. Meals are included in the fare, with wine pairings elevating the experience to Michelin star levels, making every bite a celebration of the journey. Scenic routes and cultural immersion. The VSOE's routes are as captivating as its interiors. The classic London to Venice journey, a 24-hour odyssey, crosses the English Channel via Eurotunnel, winds through French countryside, and cuts through the Swiss Alps before arriving in Venice's lagoon. Longer routes, like the 5-night Paris to Istanbul trip, stop at Budapest and Bucharest, offering off-train excursions to historic sites. Passengers can explore castles or sip local wines, blending adventure with luxury. The train's leisurely pace, averaging 60 miles per hour, ensures you soak in every view from alpine peaks to Tuscan vineyards through panoramic windows. Exclusivity and nostalgia. With capacity for just 174 passengers, the VSOE is inherently exclusive, fostering an intimate atmosphere. Its limited departures, once or twice weekly, heighten demand, with bookings often made a year in advance. The train's allure lies in its nostalgia, recreating the glamour of early 20th century travel, yet modern touches like Wi-Fi and air-conditioned cabins ensure comfort. Critics note the high cost and occasional cramped cabins, but fans, including celebrities like Mick Jagger, rave about its unmatched charm. The VSOE has won World's Best Luxury Train at the World Travel Awards multiple times, a testament to its enduring appeal. A timeless experience. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express doesn't just transport you, it transports you to another era. It's a journey where time slows, and the world outside your window becomes a moving canvas of history and beauty. Whether you're celebrating a milestone or chasing a bucket list dream, the VSOE delivers a first-class experience that redefines luxury travel. From its lavish interiors to its curated routes, it's a reminder that the journey can be as extraordinary as the destination. Subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts on this luxurious rail adventure.